In this video, we're going to have a look at how to simplify expressions by collecting like terms. You can simplify like terms by adding and subtracting the coefficient in front of each variable. To work out whether you need to add or subtract the coefficient, you need to have a look at the sign in front of the term. By looking at the sign in front of the term, it would tell you whether you are adding or subtracting that coefficient. Now remember, to be a like term, they've got to have the same variable or variables, and each variable or variables need to be raised to the same power. Let's have a look at some examples to see how we can simplify expressions with like terms. So in our first examples, we have two expressions we want to simplify. In our first expression, we got 3b plus 2b. Now these are two like terms because they both contain the variable b. Now to simplify, I need to look at my coefficients. So I've got a 3 and I've got a 2. Now to work out what I'm doing with my 3 and the 2, I need to look at the sign in front of my coefficient. And that is a addition sign. So in this example, I'm adding my coefficients together. So to simplify, it is going to equal 3 plus 2, which is 5, so 5b. In my second expression, I want to simplify 5g minus 2g. Now, I know these are like terms because both contain the variable g. So now I need to have a look at my coefficients to simplify. I've got a 5 and I've got a 2. Looking at the sign in front of the 2, it is a subtraction sign. So to simplify, it is going to equal 5 minus 2, which is 3. So 3g is my simplified answer. So now let's have a look at some examples involving more than one like term. In my first example, I want to simplify the expression 2d minus 2 plus 4d plus 3. So let's have a look and see what are my like terms in that expression. So my like terms are going to be 2d and plus 4d, because both of those terms contain the variable d. In addition to my like terms, I've got two numbers without any variables. So I've got a -2 plus 3. So now that I've gone ahead and I've identified all of my like terms, I can go ahead and start to simplify. So the first step is going to be rewrite the expression, grouping all of my like terms together. So 2d plus 4d minus 2 plus 3. So now I can go ahead and simplify both parts of that. So 2d plus 4d is going to equal to 6d, and then minus 2 plus 3 is going to equal to plus 1. So the expression simplifies to 2d plus 1. In the second example, I want to simplify the expression 5g plus 6h minus 2g plus 3h minus 4. The first step is I want to go ahead and identify what are going to be my like terms. So my first set of like terms is going to be 5g and -2g, because both contain the variable g. My second lot of like terms are going to be plus 6h plus 3h, because both contain the variable h. And then I have a number without any variables, which is -4. So now that I've gone ahead and identified my like terms, I can start simplifying. And the first step to simplifying is going to be rewrite the expression, grouping all of the like terms together. So that's going to equal 5g minus 2g, because remember I'm picking up the minus sign in front of the 2g, then plus 6h plus 3h minus 4. So now I can go ahead and simplify each lot of my like terms that have been grouped together. So my first lot of like terms, 5g minus 2g, is going to equal 3g. Then my next lot of like terms, 6h plus 3h, and that is going to equal plus 9h. and then I can have a look at my number on the end, which is -4, and carry that down, so -4. So my simplified expression after I've grouped all my like terms together is 3g plus 9h minus 4.